Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Firdaus. So on behalf of my partner Teng Wei, this is our MAAT assignment conclusion video. So we start with the recap of the types of analysis that we use in order to analyze the malware. So we analyze the malware using basic static analysis, advanced static analysis, basic and advanced dynamic analysis. Basic static analysis, we use tools like PID, PEview. For advanced static analysis, we use the IDA Pro. Basic dynamic analysis, we use tools like Process Monitor, Process Explorer, and advanced dynamic analysis, we use the OLI DPG. So how does the malware persist itself? So when the malware is executed and run, a few pop-up messages will appear. So it has the tendency to irritate the user and is also unable to be removed by normal means, for example clicking the close button. In addition, it also tampers with the Windows registry. Why? Because it wants to duplicate configuration settings of a software, program or application in order to have access to the resources, and it also affects the computer through various functions. How does it affect the computer? It affects the performance, the reliability and stability. So as stated earlier in the basic dynamic video, this malware is actually a Trojan set crack malware. So what are the functionalities of the malware? It basically causes pop-up messages to appear, and it also disrupt and damage computer activity. For example, it creates files and processes, it deletes threads, it tampers with the registries, and it also creates mutex to access the registries. So how do we remove the malware? So first, to remove the malware, we end the process of the pop-up message simply by killing it in the task manager. Then we can also install an antivirus or anti-malware programs such as Avast or Malwarebytes anti-malware that will automatically remove the malware. We can also turn on the Windows Defender, which will automatically take the necessary action to remove the malware. Alternatively, the user can also choose to remove the malware manually. So these are the steps. So the first step is to download and extract autoruns program by sysinternals to C autoruns. Next, reboot it into the safe mode. This is to prevent the malware from automatically replacing the startup key, because they will not notice that the keys have been removed. Next, navigate to C autoruns folder and execute the autoruns.exe. So once the program starts, you click on the options menu and place a checkmark to these options. Include empty locations, verify code signatures, hide signed Microsoft entries. Next, press the F5 key to refresh the startup list using these new settings. Then the program will show information about the startup entries in 8 different tabs. So click on each tab and look for the file name that you want to remove. There can be more than one entry, by the way, associated with the same file, because it is common for malware to create multiple startup entries. So once the entry is found, simply delete the entry so that it will not start again in the next reboot. So the entry is now removed from the registry. Next, delete the file using My Computer or Windows Explorer. Once done, basically reboot into the normal mode, and the malware has been removed successfully from the system. So as a reflection, we can conclude that malwares are used for malicious purposes. For example, disrupt computer operations, gather sensitive information, gain access to private computer systems. So it is important for us to install antivirus or anti-malware software in order to prevent the malware from performing its malicious purposes. So thank you for listening and viewing all of our MAAT assignment videos.